We gotta catch something. I want to catch something right here and then go down a little bit further and catch something too. You know? All right, guys, we are baited up. We are baited up. All right, baited up. And now, if I don't catch something, that's all. It's all on me. Again. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we might be dealing with fish that have mouths that are too small. Okay, we got something. We got something. Wow, is that a baby bass right there? That's a baby bass. All right, we're gonna get, let's see, yeah. Surely looks like one. I might be wrong. But we're gonna get him back in there. Appreciate you stopping by, little fella. Get on out of here. We caught something out of there. So let's go on down. So you telling me nothing's in there? I guess nothing that wants to. I see fish right there. They're hanging around my line. That's what fish do sometimes. Hang around the line and don't go get the bait. I'm sure there's something on there. There we go. There we go. Come on. Get out of that tree. Get out of that tree. There we go. All right. Got a little sunny. Little sunfish. You know, about the same size as the ones I catch in the river. This is a creek, or we like to call it a branch where I'm from. All right. Caught another little one. Let's get him on back in there. Have a nice day. Thank you for hanging out with Coach G Outdoor. Let's go on that same spot one more time. Same spot one more time. See if we can get one more out of there. There we go. All right. This time we got the cousin. Cousin a little bit smaller. But the color is definitely coming back to these guys. Look at them pretty orange fins. Let's get you on out of there. Not bad. Look at that. Pretty orange fins. All right, let's get you on back in there. Thanks for hanging out with Coach G TV. All right, you know what? Let's go one more there. One more. Then we're gonna hit this area right here, guys. We're gonna stay out here a good 30 more minutes. See what we can do. Got a couple of bends up the way. Let's see if we can get out of there. I believe I can get in the right area. We can pull 5 or 6 out of here real quick. All right, we're gonna throw it in right here. Let's see what we can get. That's a nice cast, man. That's a nice cast, Coach. Right where you want it. If there's anything in there, they'll show up right there. All right. We got a little bitty whatever, if it stays on. Come on up here. All right, same thing we caught a few minutes ago. That looks like it could be a bass, but I'm not sure if it is, guys. I know if it was big, it was a huge You know, I don't quite think that's a bass, but yeah. He's a little he's bleeding a little bit, but I think he'll be okay. No, that's not a bass. I forgot what you call these things. All right, but if he has some size on him, he looked like a bass. He looks like a baby bass right there, right? We'll figure out what the actual name of it is. All right. Thank you for playing and hanging out with Coach GTV. Set it up. There we go. Let's see if we can get another good cast like that. That'll work too. Let's see if we can get 2 out of there before they start telling their friends not to bite it. You know? I think we have a little action. Got a little action there. Let's see if we can get them on out of there. All right. Got another one, I think, of the same variety. Yeah. All right. Some of you know. Go ahead and tell me. These are not bass. What are they? What are they? Definitely not bass. And I don't think they're carp. I got you. Get on out of here. And thanks for hanging out with Coach GTV. Now, those weren't baby carps, were they? All right, I thought all I'd catch here would be brim. We've got action. Ooh, I think that's a brim right there. If he stayed on. Didn't stay. Yeah, he did. He did. Stayed on. All right, a little sunfish. We're taking all comers here. Yep, all comers. All right, there we go. A little sunfish. Whoa, we gotta get you in the water. No fish dying on my watch today. Appreciate you hanging out with Coach GTV. Coach GTV, Coach G Outdoor. That's all the same. All right. Oh, I didn't get that. Wow. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, you had something, Coach. You had something. And it seemed to be decent, a decent size too. All right, let's go. Let's go. Give me some more takers now. Give me a few more bites, guys. We'll make you famous. Oh, come on. I'm missing it when they're taking it. All right. Oh, but you didn't hang. Oh, you didn't stay on. How? 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 That's too much going on right there, right? Come on out of there, little Sonny. Little Sonny. Hang on, I got you, I got you. I got you. You're good. You're gonna live to tell the story of how you were on land for about 25 seconds. All right? Just let everybody get a look at you. Hang on, don't jump, don't jump. You jumped. You jumped. I just want everybody to get a look at your colors, baby. What the Lord has done for you. Look at you. All pretty. But you're tiny. Yeah. So we're going to put you on back, all right? Go have a nice life. And thanks for hanging out with Coach G Outdoor. Let's throw it in the same spot there. All right. Let's see if we can get another bite here before this hole is depleted. All right, we got some action. Let's see if we can get a taker. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, too soon, Coach, too soon. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. We get one more out of here, and then we'll go to the other side of the bridge. Maybe even do another recast and a rebait, yeah. Oh, what is that? Okay, you're not gonna get anything when there's something hiding near your bait, right? All right, guys, we're gonna freshen up the bait. All right, one more W cast, Coach. One more W cast, like that. Oh man, we got a bite, but yeah. Oh, come on. Got a bite, but got away. Let's let it sit there. Maybe that's okay. Had to pull it off the bank. Not quite in the spot I wanted to be in. In fact, we're gonna recast. Come on, Coach. Get you a good one. Get you a good one. All right, right there, baby, right there. If they're in there, they got a bite right there. Got a bite. Let's see if we can pull them in. All right, big slack in the line, so that means there's something messing with it. Let's see if it'll hit it one more time. Line with slacking and nothing else. All right, we got some action now. Here we go. Pull them out of there. Pull them on out of there, Coach. All right. This is the biggest one we've got all day. All right. It's, I think it's still a sunny. She's just not very sunny like right now. Yeah, but I think as the summer rolls on, spring rolls on, it'll change colors. All right. Let's get you back in the water. Get on out of here. And thanks for hanging out with Coach G Outdoor. Yeah, everybody, it is about time to go. Oh, it's been time to go, Coach. You just sitting around here procrastinating, thinking you're gonna catch something big out of here, and you're not. All right, here we go, fish. I'm getting ready to get out of here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. We caught a few fish, but yeah, we'll be coming back here, guys. See if we can get some more fish on the line. See if we can find some other places to fish also. But yeah, appreciate you hanging out with me. This is Coach G Outdoor, and I'll see you guys next time. There's the old truck.